Hey guys, welcome back to Pandas Data Diaries. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your JupyterLab in a virtual environment. Why is this important? Because you don't want to install new libraries, etc. in the global scope. You want to limit it to the virtual environment so that when there are any dependencies or so, you don't mess up your global environment. It's always good practice to isolate them. So how do you do this? You can just use this command in your terminal. So just type python -m venv, just the name of the virtual environment. You can give it another name. Just takes a couple of seconds to set up. This created a new folder in your directory, and you can start the virtual environment by typing venv / and you can also just use the tab to jump ahead because it's just a folder. And over here, so it says venv scripts activate. If you start it, you will see venv, and this shows you that you're inside of the virtual environment. And then if you want to use JupyterLab, you can just install it in here. So you can just use pip install and just choose the JupyterLab, and it will hopefully do that. And now it collects all of the libraries. Great, and after it's set up all of the dependencies and all of the libraries, now you can just start it from within the virtual environment. You see it because it still shows venv at the top. Just type JupyterLab and hit enter, and it will start the JupyterLab from within the virtual environment, which is really nice when experimenting with new libraries, etc. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you again soon on this channel.